Hey folks, this is Tradytics AI. In this video, we are going to talk about 3 of our AI tools that are specifically designed for swim trading alerts. Before we dive into the tools, it is important to mention that no AI is ever 100% accurate in this world when it comes to trading. Trading is a complex game and is almost impossible to solve with just AI alone. At Tradytics, we always recommend using our AI's predictions along with your own judgment and research to get the best results. We want to empower retail traders with a good variety of accurate tools. But we still advise that you do some research about each position you want to take. You will see that with each alert, we will provide abundant information in every tool to help you make an informed decision. We want you to use our AI to build strategies and become a better trader, not blindly follow our alerts. Let's go. We will begin by describing our 3 tools in a few sentences. Options Psychic is a weekly prediction tool that analyzes options flow using our AI engine to find complex patterns that can result in directional moves in the underlying stocks. It is important to note that Options Psychic uses options flow data as input and predicts stock price movement as output. But options flow is just one of the data types that one can use to predict price movement. What's the other? If you guessed price action in technical analysis, you're right. Our other 2 tools are about that. Stock Profit is an AI tool that uses price action, volume, and a large number of technical indicators as input and again tries to predict price movements for the next few days. Continuation Clairvoyant is an extension of Stock Profit that only predicts continuation of trends for big movers. For instance, if a stock moves more than 10% a day, Clairvoyant predicts if the stock will keep moving in the same direction for the next few days. You might ask, why 3 different tools doing the same thing, that is predicting stock price direction? Well, there are different kinds of signals in options flow that are not found in the price action, and vice versa. Because of that, we have to build 3 tools that take as input different things but the output is the same. This is an important distinction to keep in mind. How do we use these tools? Well, all 3 tools post their predictions on daily basis after market close. The predictions are meant to pan out in the next few days. Specifically, we have trained our AI to predict weekly price directions, that is, the prediction is predicted to pan out within 5 to 7 days. Why do we post these on daily basis if they are to pan out within a week? That is because sometimes, our AI observes new information that makes it believe that its previous prediction is not ineffective. In those scenarios, we can let our users know about a potential reversal. Some people use these tools in isolation. However, we recommend using them in conjunction with each other. Let us explain how. Starting with Options Psychic, let us look at the predictions from December 21, 2020. We can see that only a few predictions are bullish. The first column with the plus sign is our dashboard that lets you look at the prediction from other tools for the same ticker and the same date. Clicking on P-Ton shows us that our other tools are also bullish on it. For now, you can ignore Options Droid as we will explain it in a later video. But Stock Profit is also bullish on P-Ton. This is interesting as we now have more confirmation for a bullish move for P-Ton. The reason it is not available in Clairvoyant is that Clairvoyant only contains stocks that moved at least 10% in the day. In order to provide you with more information, you see several columns regarding the statistics about each alert. Those are there to help you make a better decision. The last column is sometimes confusing. The label colors are simply the filter colors that you see in the border of each filter button. Those indicate the presence of each filter for the particular row. Looking at the price action of P-Ton, we can see that the price gapped up the very next day and remained up. This is how traders can use our AI tools to predict price movements. What if Options Psychic was bullish but Stock Profit was bearish? Well, that can easily happen as these tools are looking at different inputs. If that is the case, we generally recommend not trading the stock as options flow and price action are contradicting each other. Let us look at a few more stocks. We will go to Stock Profit for this. We are going to take a look at SPCE. Upon looking at the predictions from other tools, we can see that all tools are again bullish on it. What happened the next few days? Well, the price moved up as predicted. From 24.8, it went up to about a high of 27. Let us take a look at one last example from Continuation Clairvoyant. We will look at KOPN. Both Stock Profit and Clairvoyant are bullish on it. Looking at its price action, we can see that it indeed went up higher the next 3 days. One thing that you will see in all of our tools are the last 3 columns on change since alert. Those columns are updated based on how much has the price changed in percentage after the alert was posted. We want to be transparent with our users, which is why we track the price change periodically after posting an alert. That's about it. This was a short introduction to the swing trading AI tools. There are many filters that can help you build robust and effective strategies to find excellent trading setups. Please remember that our AI is here to help you. However, you should never blindly follow anything. Cheers.